guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my favourite spring lipsticks. So in the springtime I tend to wear very pinky peachy, nudie kind of colours. I don't tend to go too bold in the springtime. I tend to go bolder more in the summertime. So yeah, I'm just going to share with you like my top 10 favourite lipsticks to wear throughout the springtime. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first up is the Colourpop Lippie Stix in the shade Skimpy, and this is a glossy finish. So this is a really pretty nude, fresh kind of colour. This just totally reminds me of spring. This is a really fresh, glossy colour. It's so comfortable to wear, and Colourpop is super affordable as well. I just love the look of this. You could always top this on top of a darker lip liner if it is too light for you. But I just like the light kind of glossy look for the springtime. So this is my first favourite. These aren't in order, by the way. They are just, I think I've done them in like colour order, lightest to darkest. So they're not in like my order of favourites. Next up we have another Colourpop one. This is the Lippie Stix in She Bad, which is a matte X formula, so it's super matte. And it has insane pigmentation, like one swipe and insane pigmentation. So I think that this is probably one of my favourite lipsticks of all time. This is the most comfortable thing to wear. Firstly, it slides on like a dream, like one swipe and you have like insane, intense pigmentation. But not only that, it's so creamy, like it's like velvet on my lips now. Obviously it does start to get drier throughout the day, but it's still super duper comfortable. And I don't think that it wears away much. Like obviously it starts to wear away the more and more you eat and stuff, but I think it lasts like a pretty long time. And it is so super matte, but it doesn't look bad, like it doesn't look crusty, it doesn't settle into my fine lines. I really do like this one. And yeah, it's from Colourpop, and these are like $5.50, so really affordable, and this definitely has to be one of my favorites. Next up is another Colourpop. This is an ultra glossy lip, and this is in the shade Fairy Floss. So this is just the perfect nude, glossy, your lips but better kind of gloss. This is just perfect. This is like a moisturizer glossy. Oh, it's just lovely. Now a lot of people tend to wear this over a darker lip liner, which I can totally understand because it is very pale, but I do have quite pale skin anyway, so I think it looks okay on me. But for like darker skin tones, I totally understand like the want to wear a lip liner underneath. But I would totally wear a lip liner underneath anyway as well. It's totally up to you. It's not sticky, like I'm not sticking my lips together. It's super comfortable to wear, and this was only $6, so really affordable. I much prefer these to lots of other glosses that I own. Okay, next up we have the Barry M lipstick in the shade Truffle Shuffle. Okay, so I'm sure I must have mentioned this in one of my videos before, but this is just a pinky, almost lilac-y in a way, just really comfortable lipstick. It is really creamy. It's really like, not glossy, but it is really creamy. I wouldn't say it's matte or satin. It is very creamy, which obviously means that it doesn't last very long throughout the day, especially if you're eating. But you know, you can just reapply, and this is so affordable. I think this was literally like £2, so totally inexpensive. And I just love the feel of this lipstick, and I love the look of it. It is so natural, and I just think it looks perfect during the springtime. Next up we have this e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Satin lipstick, and this is in the shade Touch of Pink. Okay, so this is another really creamy, comfortable satin lipstick to wear, and this is more of a pinky one, whereas all the other colours so far I've been showing you tend to be more nudie. But this is just a really natural, pretty, subtle pink kind of colour, perfect for the springtime. Peachy pinks are just so spring colours, and this is so affordable. This was £6 as well, and I love e.l.f. as a brand. Next up we have another Colourpop one. This is another Lippie stick, and this is in the shade Birdy, and it's a cream formula. Okay, so this is definitely more of a standout kind of pink than the last one. This is definitely more of like a baby but bright neon baby kind of pink. These can make your teeth look quite yellow sometimes, but I think this one's okay. Yeah, this is really creamy and comfortable to wear throughout the day. I don't tend to wear lipsticks like this too often, but I think that these are perfect to wear in the springtime, just for that added bit of bold, intense colour if you want to go like that one day. And yeah, these are also really affordable and I really like this colour. Next up we have a NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Maple Blondie. So this is also a darker pink again. It's not so baby pink. I'd say this is more of like a mid-tone pink. Yeah, I really love these NYX glosses because they are so affordable and they are much easier to buy in the UK because you can just go into a Boots store and pick these up, whereas with Colourpop you have to order it online and you have to pay shipping and tax. So these are much easier to get here in the UK, and these are £6, and I really do love the NYX Butter Glosses. I tend to like NYX products. Next up we have yet another Colourpop. This is an Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the shade Love Muffin. Okay, so please ignore that really bad application. This is a satin lip, but it can look matte. These are really comfortable to wear on the lips. They don't last as long as matte lips, but they do last longer than like a regular lipstick. And these are also $6 from Colourpop. I really like this colour because I don't think that it's too intense of a pink. I think it's more of a natural wearable pink compared to like some of the glosses and other things that I just applied. This is definitely more wearable. Next up we have this Maybelline Superstay matte ink lipstick, and this is in the shade 10 Dreamer. As you can see, there's a bit of a pink theme going on here. So yeah, this is a really pretty pink. I love the colour on this pink. I don't know what it is about it, but I really do love it. It can make your teeth look a little bit yellow, but I just really like it so much. These are, I think they're like £7, £8, $7.99, something like that. And I love these matte inks. I am going to be uploading a lip swatch video of all the ones I have pretty soon because I really do love these lipsticks so much. Yeah, I really love this. Super affordable and super cute and pretty and feminine for the springtime. And finally we have the last lipstick, and this is another Superstay matte ink by Maybelline, but this one is in the shade 60 Poet. So yeah, like I mentioned in the last one, I love these lipsticks so much. I definitely think I prefer this shade to the last one because this is definitely much more wearable than the pink one. This is definitely more of a peachy nude, and I love peachy nudes in the springtime. I love it. I just filmed a makeup tutorial of this look, and this is my peachy spring makeup tutorial, and this is the actual lipstick that I used in that video as well. I will link that video down below for you guys if you want to see how I created this look. But yeah, I really do love this lipstick. Perfect to wear in the springtime and super affordable as well. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you liked it. These were all my spring favourite lipsticks. There's definitely lots of options for you guys to go and try if you are looking for some new spring lipsticks. These are definitely the ones that I would recommend. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below of what your favourite spring lipstick is. I'd love to know, so leave me a comment down below for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!